Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a gamble. You don't really know you are.
Is it good, Maury? It's good? No? So we at Crumble Cookie. Let's see how this tastes. Maury, all right. Here. You want a piece of the chocolate? Yeah. Is it good, Maury? It's good? Is it good? No? It's nasty? Is it good, Maury? So these are the cookies that we chose. I don't know what that is, what this is. Y'all know what this is? That's confetti. That's a raspberry cheesecake. That's a Oreo chocolate or something?
Yeah.
What's that one?
That's
I forgot. And that's a carrot cake. And Reese's.
Yeah.
Right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, so they gonna try the cookie with the swirl icing on it first. Go. Go. Break a piece.
Break a
Here, Maya. Mara.
you want to eat it.
Wait, don't eat it yet. Hold on, it's alright. It's okay. It's alright. Alright. So look, alright, take a bite. Take a bite. How it taste? How it taste? Maya, what you think? What you give it? 10 out of 10? 1 out of 10? What you give it? What you give it?
I'm a
6
6 out of 10.
out of 10? What you give, Mario? 7? What you give, Malia? 9. 9? What you give?
This tastes exactly like a cupcake.
What you give it?
Wait.
8. What's up, Mira?
Good.
You like it?
My son.
What you give it? 10? 8?
Mom, it sounded good.
A 5? You like it? What you give, Willie?
It's a 6.
A 6. All right.
Mommy, it sounded good.
Yeah, I ain't bite this. That's just.
All right, now they finna try the confetti.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna break it for y'all. Here.
That's for me.
Yep.
This look like sprinkles. Why are you wasting it?
Don't waste it. You can. All right. Maya, you gonna taste it first? Go, Maya. What you give it? You like it? It's nasty? You like it? What you give it? 10 out of 10. All right, Mario.
She already ate it.
What you give it, Mario?
I can't taste it, but
It's
I
good?
can't taste it, but it ain't nasty.
What you give, Malia?
She already tastes like it.
Shut up.
What you give it? 10 out of 10. King, what's up? What you give it, King? Huh? Try it.
Bro, what is going on?
Mirrors bite it. What you give it?
They leave you ranking?
6? 6? All right. What you give? What you give, Willie?
They don't got no taste.
6?
They don't got no taste.
You don't got no taste? So you don't like that one? All right. Which one y'all want to try the Oreo? The Reese's? Reese's.
Let me break my Reese's.
All right, here. She ain't gonna eat the Reese's. You gonna try the Reese's? Yeah, y'all break it.
I want to try that one.
Come on, Lil.
Nah.
King, you gonna try it? Yeah.
You see, going through it.
You want to try the Reese's, Mary? Oh, they ain't like the confetti.
Like, bro, look what you gave me.
Oh, here. Well, I ain't want y'all to not like it and spit it out, just in case.
Oh my god.
Tori, go upstairs.
All right, Mary, you want to try the Reese's? If you don't want that one, throw it back. You want to try that one?
I'm putting it back.
Maya, you're not going to try that peanut butter one. You ain't going to eat that. All right.
Peanut butter.
What's up, Willie? What you get? Not bad. What you get?
Like a 6.
6?
This one is.
What you get, Mario? 6? Malia, what you get? 7? What's up, Mir? You like that one. You like Reese's.
He pouring that
10.
bottle like he will.
He gave it a 10. All right.
Oh.
Y'all want to try this other one?
I want this one.
The chocolate?
Yes.
Y'all got a fork? Y'all want to get a fork for the other two? Because this is more like cake.
Yeah.
You ate that one?
It got white chocolate.
Come here. You got white chocolate, Mario.
Man, what are you eating?
You can taste it, huh? All right, here, Malia. Get one. All right. Go. Maya, what you think? What you give it? 10 out of 10? Come out. What you give it, Mir? What you give it, Willie?
Not hard.
It's hard. You like it? 5? What's up, Malia? What you give it? What you, 8. What you give it, Mario? 6. What you get, Mir? What you give it?
It's Oreo.
A 9? What you give it, Maya? 10 out of 10. All right. Give me a fork. Get a fork. Equally out. So y'all can try the cheesecake. You want to try the cheesecake? I know you.
Talking about that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I want cheesecake.
You want to try cheesecake?
I'm a basic cookie too. I
too.
don't like the whole bunch of. I don't like that.
Lie. All right. So this is the raspberry cheesecake. You gonna eat that later?
It's good.
Come here. Try the raspberry cheesecake. Oh. Malia, go. Dig in. Dig in.
Mommy, why didn't you get?
Here, King. You want to try the cheesecake?
Mommy, why you didn't get King this one?
You want the chocolate? You want to try the chocolate? All right. Dig in, man. You want me to do it? It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. All right, here. Do this one now. Here, Mir. Don't throw that away. Get it. No, don't get her. No. I get her some of the other cookies.
Hey, close the door, Tori. Close the door.
All right, here. Y'all want to try this one? All right, so now we put the try. This the carrot cake. Carrot cake.
What happened?
It's a love bug, girl.
All right, here, Mir. You like carrot cake? Go, Willie. Again.
It's a lot. No, I've never eaten carrot.
I made it before. Maybe here.
Can I get the curry?
Yeah. Oh, here. Yeah. Come on, you better eat it. Ooh, break it. All right. So try to, yeah, that's the carrot cake. All right. Oh hell. All right. So now we're gonna try the vegan chocolate chip cookies from Sprouts. All right.
Yeah.
Win. Yeah. Here with it. My hand's clean too. Come on, let me get my own.
No, hey, they don't have all the stuff in it.
Oh. Here. Maya, you want to try one?
I'll try one.
All right. Eat it. What you think?
It's good.
It's good? Not bad?
I should take the crumble cookie.
Eat it. What's that?
I've been drinking Crumble Cookies. I can't drink one.
Drink some water.
You're so dirty.
What you think, King?
It's alright.
Or it ain't bad.
It ain't bad. It's alright.
So you still taste the crumble cookie?
I'll taste it now. It's alright.
It ain't bad.